Hello kids. Today the story is on Schnitzel von Crumbs, and the name of the story is Basketwork, and it is written by Linley Dodd. So who is Schnitzel von Crumbs? The dog in the basket. Tucked in a hidey hole under the stair lay a rickety basket in need of repair. A chewed up old cushion, a blanket all worn, everything broken and smelly and torn. And under the blanket, his paws on his tongue, happily snoring, lay Schnitzel von Crumb. So this was a little poetry prose about this dog, Schnitzel von Crumb. And the description was about his basket. Yeah. And how he loves to sleep in it. He liked all the tatters. He liked every tear. The broken down edges, the holes and the hair. The smell was so friendly, and as for the fit, if he needed to squeeze, did he mind? Not a bit. But yuck, said his family. Time to say no. This beaten up basket must instantly go. It's scruffy and dirty. It's hopelessly smelly. Oh, sorry, it's hopelessly small. And we really can't have such a smell in the hall, they said, his family. So they lifted the basket and took it away and brought him another the very same day. Oh, isn't he lucky? His family got him a new basket. He tried it for size. There was room for his turn. Look, he's testing his new basket. But it didn't smell friendly. Why would a new basket smell friendly? It's always the old stuff that smells of you. But it didn't smell friendly to Schnitzel von Crumb. I can also see Schnitzel von Crumb initials on his cushion in the basket. The basket was smart and a much better fit. Oh, see? Plenty of room. Yeah? Was it cozy and comforting? No, not a bit. So that's why Schnitzel von Crumb has a long face. But then you know what, children? Every new thing is not comfortable the very first time. You have to wear it a bit, try it a bit, and then get used to it. That's when you become really comfortable. And perhaps this is the reason why some people do not throw away their old stuff, because they feel comfortable with it or in it. Okay, let's see what does Schnitzel von Crumb do. He made a new bed in a jumble of shirts, pajamas and towels and flowery skirts. Look, he's peeking through under a flowery skirt. But something was wrong. with the smell and the fit? Was it cozy and comforting? What do you think, children? Is Schnitzel von Crumb feeling cozy and comforting? No, not a bit. Why do you think so? Oh, see, he was in the laundry. And you know, children, what laundry soiled clothes have to go? They have to go inside the washing machine. So when Schnitzel made himself comfortable and wrapped all clothes to feel cozy and warm, he didn't realize that the laundry will be pulled to put it into the washing machine. So there you go. He's rolling out of the clothes he had made himself comfortable in. He made a new bed with the dusters and mops. Oh, so he did not stop looking for a new bed. So what did he find this time? The cleaners and brooms and preserving jar tops. But something was wrong with the smell and the fit. Was it cozy and comforting? What do you think, children? Is he looking cozy and comforting in that box? In the cabinet of all cleaners? No, not a bit. And why is that? Well, the cleaning cabinet is usually opened to do the cleaning of the house. Somebody is pulling out the vacuum, somebody is taking out the dustbin, somebody is going to use the brushes, lots of things, yeah? So that is why. Not a bit comfortable. He made a new bed. Oh, there he goes. See, he has not stopped looking for a comfortable bed. So where has he made his new bed this time? In a rack full of greens. With the spinach and celery. Can you see spinach? Can you see celery? Parsley and beans. But something was wrong with the smell and the fit. Was it cozy and comforting? Nah, not a bit. And why is that? Well, kitchen rack is used for storing kitchen goods, right? And so, throughout the day, whenever cooking is done, it will be made use of. And then, on return from grocery or vegetable market, the vegetables need to be put inside the rack. And that is a lot of disturbance, you know. So this is not a good place. Not a bit comfortable. He made a new bed at the side of the shed. Oh, so this time Schnitzel von Crumb went outside the house to find his comfortable bed. And he finds it just on the side of the shed. In the daisies and the dahlias, yellow and red. But something was wrong with the smell and the fit. Was it cozy and comforting? What do you think, children? No, not a bit. Why do you think? You can see that the watering hose has started up and it is sprinkling water all across the green grass and the flower beds. And where was Schnitzel sleeping? Right beside the flower bed. Off he goes running with the water sprinkling all over him. Poor Schnitzel one crumb. He sat on the stair and dreamed of his basket. The holes and the hair, the broken down edges, the blanket all worn, everything scruffy and smelly and torn. His ears drooped down, and his tail did too. "Help!" said his family. "What can we do?" So back to the hidey hole under the stair went the battered old basket in need of repair. His old basket is back. And back in a hurry. Look how eager he is to get inside his old bed. Went Schnitzel one crumb with a wag on his tail. Look how excited his tail is wagging. And a heave of his turn. And the peaceful turn he's making. The new one was smart. Yes, indeed. The new basket his family got him was really beautiful. Clean, shiny, unused, brand new. And a much better fit. It was indeed, because there was a lot of room and space for Schnitzel to move around, toss and turn. But when it had gone, did he mind? Not a bit. Look how sweetly he's sleeping inside his bucket with his paws on his tummy and the blanket on his tummy. Yeah. So there was no question of fit, there was no question of smell, and there was no question of comfort. Yeah, because he fell asleep. And you know what? He did find to look for alternatives. When the new basket came, he tried other things. But in the end, that's what he wanted. Yeah? So alternatives are always there. Sometimes you have to let go of things. So until then, enjoy the comfort and the peace. Schnitzel von Crumb is outraged when his misguided family decides to replace his worn out, beaten up, smelly old basket. Eventually, his family gets the message. So there you go. He had a good family who took good care of him. They got his favorite basket back. Would you give up your old stuff for new? Or would you rather stick with your old stuff till useless? That is your choice. It's up to you. As long as you are happy and comfortable. Make good use of your stuff. Bye for now.